Hello, health enthusiasts, and welcome back to Your Health Decoded. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something? Or maybe felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? It turns out, those aren't just quaint expressions. They ray hints at one of the most profound connections in your body, the intricate superhighway between your gut and your brain. For decades, we thought of these as separate systems, but groundbreaking science is revealing that your digestive tract, with its trillions of microbial inhabitants, might just be the most influential player in your mental health. Today, we're diving deep into the gut-brain axis, exploring how the microscopic world within you could be shaping your moods, your stress levels, and even your thoughts. Get ready to have your mind and your gut blown. So, what exactly is the gut-brain axis? Imagine a two-way street, constantly sending signals back and forth. On one side, you have your brain, the command center for emotions, cognition, and stress. On the other, you have your gut, often called your second brain due to its enteric nervous system, which contains hundreds of millions of neurons. These two are in constant communication via several pathways: the vagus nerve, which is like a direct telephone line; the immune system, where inflammation can be a messenger; and perhaps most fascinatingly, through the byproducts of your gut microbiome. This vast ecosystem of bacteria, viruses, and fungi isn't just digesting your food. It's actively producing neuroactive compounds that can directly influence your brain chemistry. Think of it, tiny microbes potentially dictating your mood. Let's zoom in on these incredible microbes. Your gut bacteria are tiny chemists. They produce a staggering array of compounds, including many of the same neurotransmitters your brain uses. Take serotonin, for example, often called the happiness hormone. While your brain produces some, a remarkable 90% of your body's serotonin is actually manufactured in your gut. And it's not just serotonin. They also produce GABA, dopamine precursors, and a host of other signaling molecules. Beyond neurotransmitters, your gut bacteria also ferment indigestible fibers, creating beneficial compounds called short-chain fatty acids (SCFAs), like butyrate. These SCFAs don't just fuel your gut cells. They can cross the blood-brain barrier, reducing inflammation in the brain, improving brain function, and potentially even protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. This isn't just theory. We're seeing compelling evidence in human studies. The implications for mental health are profound. Research is showing clear links between a disrupted gut microbiome, often called dysbiosis, and conditions like anxiety, depression, and chronic stress. Studies have found that individuals with major depressive disorder often have less diverse gut microbiomes compared to healthy individuals. Animal studies have even shown that transplanting gut microbiota from depressed humans into germ-free mice can induce depressive-like behaviors in the mice. While human research is more complex, the pattern is undeniable. A healthy, diverse gut often correlates with better mental well-being, while an imbalanced gut can exacerbate symptoms of stress and mood disorders. This opens up entirely new avenues for treatment beyond traditional pharmaceuticals. So, what can we do to foster a healthy gut-brain axis? The good news is, you have significant power to influence your microbiome through diet and lifestyle. First and foremost, fiber. Prebiotic fibers, found in foods like onions, garlic, leeks, bananas, and oats, are the fuel for your beneficial gut bacteria. Think of them as fertilizer for your internal garden. Second, fermented foods. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. These introduce beneficial bacteria directly into your gut. Just be sure to choose varieties with live, active cultures. Third, reduce processed foods, sugar, and artificial sweeteners. These can feed harmful bacteria and promote inflammation. And it's not just food. Stress management is crucial, as chronic stress can directly impact gut permeability and microbial balance. Regular exercise and adequate sleep also play vital roles in maintaining gut health. Looking to the future, the field of psychobiotics is particularly exciting. These are live organisms that, when ingested in adequate amounts, produce a health benefit in patients suffering from psychiatric illness. We are talking about specific strains of probiotics being developed and tested for their ability to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Imagine a future where your doctor might prescribe a specific probiotic cocktail tailored to your unique microbiome profile to help manage your mental health. This isn't science fiction. It's the frontier of personalized medicine, moving beyond a one-size-fits-all approach to mental wellness. We're also seeing advancements in fecal microbiota transplantation. Although this is currently reserved for severe conditions, it shows the incredible power of the microbiome. To recap, your gut and brain are inextricably linked. The trillions of microbes in your digestive system aren't just passengers. They're active participants in shaping your mental landscape by producing neurotransmitters and beneficial compounds. By nurturing your gut through a fiber-rich diet, fermented foods, stress reduction, and healthy lifestyle choices, you are not just supporting your digestion, you are actively investing in your cognitive function and emotional well-being. This powerful connection reminds us that holistic health isn't just a buzzword, it's the fundamental truth of our biology. So, what steps will you take this week to support your gut-brain axis? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this deep dive into the second brain as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring more evidence-based health information to light. Don't forget to subscribe to Your Health Decoded for more insights into optimizing your well-being, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, nurture your gut, nurture your mind.